Fossils are like windows to the past, offering us a glimpse into the ancient world. They tell stories of ancient life on Earth, revealing the secrets of creatures that roamed the planet millions of years ago. These remnants of organisms paint a picture of a world long gone, a world that was once vibrant and full of life. Through fossils, we can see the amazing diversity of life that once thrived on our planet, from the tiniest insects to the mightiest dinosaurs. Fossils are clues to Earth's history, each one holding a piece of the puzzle that helps us understand our planet's past. They help us understand how life and the planet itself have changed over millions of years, showing us the evolution of species and the shifting of continents. Each fossil is a piece of a giant puzzle, a puzzle that scientists are constantly working to solve. By studying fossils, we can begin to put together the story of life on Earth, uncovering the mysteries of our planet's history and the life forms that once inhabited it. Fossils not only tell us about the past but also help us understand the present and predict the future, providing invaluable insights into the history of life on Earth. What exactly are fossils? Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient life. They are not the actual remains of the organism itself. Instead, they are replicas, formed through a long and fascinating process. Imagine a dinosaur bone buried in sediment. Over time, minerals replace the bone. This process creates a rock replica of the original bone. This replica is what we call a fossil. The process of fossilization is a journey through time, a fascinating transformation that spans millions of years. It begins with the death of an organism, whether it be a dinosaur, a fish, or even a plant. The remains then need to be buried quickly to protect them from scavengers and decay. This rapid burial is crucial for the preservation of the organism's structure. Over time, layers of sediment build up, one on top of the other, creating a protective blanket that shields the remains from external elements. The weight of these layers creates immense pressure, compacting the sediment and the remains within it. Water seeping through the sediment carries minerals which are essential for the next stage of fossilization. These minerals slowly replace the organic material, a process that can take thousands to millions of years. This process, called mineralization, transforms the remains into a fossil, preserving a snapshot of ancient life for us to discover and study today. Section 4. Types of fossils. A glimpse into ancient life. There are different types of fossils. Some fossils, called body fossils, preserve the actual form of the organism. These fossils include bones, teeth, and shells. Other fossils, called trace fossils, provide evidence of an organism's activity. Footprints, burrows, and even fossilized dung are examples of trace fossils. Section 5. Unraveling Earth's history. Fossils are essential for understanding Earth's history. They tell us about past environments. For example, fossils of marine animals found in deserts indicate that the area was once underwater. Fossils also help us understand evolution. By studying fossils from different time periods, we can trace the development of life on Earth. Fossils show us how species have changed and adapted over millions of years. Section 6. Fossils, a legacy for the future. Fossils are more than just remnants of the past. They are windows into ancient worlds, offering us glimpses of life that existed millions of years ago. They are a legacy for the future, connecting us to the distant past and guiding us towards a better understanding of our own place in the universe. They provide valuable information about our planet's history, revealing the changes in climate, geography, and ecosystems over eons. They help us understand the evolution of life, showing us how species have adapted, evolved, and sometimes gone extinct. By studying fossils, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth. Each fossil tells a story, a chapter in the grand narrative of life. We learn about the challenges life has faced and overcome, from mass extinctions to dramatic shifts in the environment. Fossils remind us that our planet has a long and fascinating history, and we are just a small part of it. They inspire us to protect our world and its incredible biodiversity for future generations.